What's up guys, this is Wally here and welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you the easiest one, how to make Moscow Mule cocktail.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Mi sono alzato e ho trovato in basso terra!
And we have 60 ml of vodka, ice cubes, now ginger beer, now I'm gonna cut the lime, and squeeze the lime juice into the Moscow mug. Stir it up a little bit. So there you have it, the Moscow Mule.
che passeranno.
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Cheers!